Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 25th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair had a pretty large range on Friday, closed down. Look for it to potentially go on a reversal up to 83.00 and hit some resistance there, possibly going down to 81.75 and hitting support. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair surged to the upside, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 133.86, possibly as low as 131.21. Look for some resistance around 132.95 and look for some support around 131.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed higher during this last session, closed up. We are looking for it to actually didn't close higher, it closed up, but overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 150.967, possibly as low as 157.43. Look for some resistance around 159.15 and look for some support around 158.00. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed lower, did break previous support but pulled back to close above it. Look for it to potentially go as high on a reversal up to 0.9186, possibly as low as 0.8991. Look for some resistance around 0.9150 and look for some support around 0.9050. Okay, there are no significant news announcements being released over this next session. We actually don't have any until Wednesday. Now, we do have three swing trade opportunities that have been created over the past three sessions here. If we get a break in the US Swiss, we will look for this to drop. Basically looking for it to come down to this area. Let me zoom in now that we have things marked and kind of talk you through this one. Looking for a short at 0.9059 and looking for that to come down to 0.9026, about 33 pips, risking about the same. That gets you above some of this key area of previous support. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair pretty much has a very similar pattern. Swing trade opportunity to the upside though, instead to the downside, looking for it to move a little bit higher. Basically looking for a buy around 132.94 and then going up about 62 pips to 133.57. The only thing about this particular trade that might concern me a little bit is that we'd be going through a 0-0 level of 1.3300. So keep that in mind. May want to wait until we get a break of that 133.01 or 133.02 time price level, and then look for it to go up to 133.57. Use a risk to reward of 1-to-1 on that one. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.